man. Guys, welcome to Seso Lagos Property Tour with LeriQ. I'll never forget to add Grammy award-winning producer. Man, you've done us proud, man.
Thank you so much.
So I'm going to show you around. It's a very big place, right in the middle of Abijo. Abijo houses billions of dollars. So let me show you around.
Let's get it.
All right, cool. My favorite part
When the food gets down.
The food gets down, you know. Okay, so we're gonna check out the kitchen where they prepare the entire food and stuff. So,
Alright.
Not bad, yeah?
Fitted.
Yeah. Cool. Nice.
I love cooking. I love cooking, so I like a good kitchen.
So how important is the kitchen to your creative process?
This is where we live. This is how we stay alive.
Right.
It has to be on point. The kitchen has to be on point.
This place,
What cave?
what do you call the cave? Like, I know
Like a man cave, like my zone.
yeah, where you produce and do stuff. This place can easily pass for a studio where you can get your creative thing going on, you know. All NDF, HDF, fresh, you know, all imported. And yeah, of course, toilet and bedroom.
Sweet.
Yeah. This is where you want your privacy. Where you get to know. I think some music came out of here. So you're enjoying the...
Yeah, I really like this thing.
Alright, cool. The kitchen, of course, that's where,
Gotta stay healthy.
you know, gotta stay healthy. Gotta eat for the sound. No, gotta eat for the heat. Yeah. Alright, cool. So this is like the second living room where I love reading. I've got a ton of books in my own place. And what do you think? What's his vibe here? Right here.
Chill out spot.
Your own chill out is different. My own chill out is two different things entirely. But I'd love to have a cup of coffee, read here, and all that. And I think it's very essential for homes to have two parlors, one downstairs and one upstairs, especially for the
Private
duplexes.
one-on-one for visitors.
Yeah, in case you and madam just wants to sit down and talk and all that. Yeah, so small living room. Of course, like I said, this is the vibe. Yeah, cool. So let's check this out.
So this is
Like one of the rooms. And yeah. Sometimes you may not want to chill at the second living room. You just want to stay where you are, come outside, see what's happening.
I like the view.
Yeah. It's the kids' room. Pastor's bedroom.
I was looking for this.
Yeah. So you get to chill, you know, like you said.
Don't get to take a shit. My bad.
Bro, good to have you. Good to, good to chill with you, of course. It's not, I am...
Lovely house.
I'm starstruck right now. Of course. So a couple of questions, yeah?
Okay.
Do you think real estate is a good investment?
Definitely is. And with the way technology and the world is going,
Right.
very soon we're going to have real estate as NFTs and digital assets,
So this question is on my mind, right? How important is real estate investment? You are in the entertainment world. How is it important for artists, A-list, B-list, C-list, even if you did Z-list, How important is it for artists to invest in real estate and trying to guard up their assets? What do you think about that?
I think it's one of the safest investments.
Right.
And not just for artists, for anybody who's looking to invest money. Land and houses appreciate depending on location and time of time.
Right.
So if you do your homework properly, you can make very good money investing in the right property.
Right. Let's quickly jump into NFTs.
Okay.
You are creating something, or let me use the word, we are creating something crazy at this time. NFT in real estate. Is it a game changer? It's just a flash in the pan.
I think it's a game changer.
I just said that too.
I think it's a game changer because it cuts so many middlemen off the process of acquiring properties. I see this part of this piece of land, I like it, I pay for it.
Real quick, that easy. It's like going to a regular store or going online buying something. So that's what we're trying to achieve. So be on the lookout for Seso LeriQ NFT coming. AVC, right? Coming into this real estate industry. We're changing things, we're changing narratives, we're trying to make sure that you, the property investor, if you're looking to buy a home, you're buying in a safe and secure manner. You back me up on that, right?
So you can always trust Seso. Seso Global is your one-stop shop for properties,
Yeah, it's as simple. Just visit Seso.global, bam, pick any property you want. It's as easy as that. We've got some of the biggest law firms on our platform. We've got everything you need there. Of course, we've got the technology to back everything we're talking about. We're happy that you have joined us on this thing to actually change the real estate narrative in Nigeria. And we're here in Abijo GRA. Abijo GRA is massive. It's crazy.
This is the new Lagos.
Right, they say it's the new Lagos. Actually, it is. LeriQ, looking forward to launching the first NFT, and of course,
definitely, we'll be glad to make that happen.
Of course. So, cheers, guys. See you some other time.